Discomfort is a common occurrence in everyday life, but with Plant Therapy's Rapid Relief Synergy, you can help relieve that discomfort. The essential oils in this synergy work together to help warm the area of concern and increase circulation, giving you a sense of relief and ease. Rapid Relief is intended for topical use only. Add Rapid Relief to your favorite carrier oil, lotion, or compress recipes so you can be sure to enjoy the relief given from this warming, soothing synergy. My favorite 3 ways to use Rapid Relief are: 1. After a strenuous workout at the gym. The warming sensation feels so good on sore muscles. 2. When I've sustained an injury playing sports, which seems to happen more as I try to keep up with my children. And 3. Before bed after a long day of yard work, deep cleaning, or playing with my kids all day. For an easy DIY recipe, try this Rapid Muscle and Joint Relief Salve. You will need 2 1-ounce tins, half an ounce of beeswax, which we have melted right here, 1.5 ounces of fractionated coconut oil, and we're just going to give that a good mix. And then we're going to remove it from the heat and add 30 drops of our Rapid Relief Synergy. Mix it all together. And then we're going to pour it into our tin and allow it to set up before you use it. Rapid Relief can give you the relief from everyday discomforts. Use it after a strenuous workout, a long day of yard work or chores, or when you just need the comfort and ease given from this warming, soothing synergy.